What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and I'm back again with another one, man. Yes, I'm back again with another one. So in today's video, as y'all see, I got that silky dookie on. No. As y'all see, I got that silky, that super silky right here, man. That Rico's Merch silky. Yes, sir. And I got something to reveal for y'all. So today, I got a new hairstyle. It's long overweighted, okay? So, you know, also make sure y'all check out the website. Everything for these silky rags, my brushes, the oil that I have in my hair that's holding this shine that I'm about to show you. Everything is gonna be linked down in the description below. Follow my Instagram so you can get up to date with me and all the new drops. You can get exclusives at Rico's Merch. You can follow that page too. You get exclusives for the new merch that's coming sometimes. Or I might drop unannounced exclusives. I've already done that. You should be following them. You should be following both pages, my main page and the merch page. Make sure you go follow both of them so you can get exclusives, or you know, just stay up to date by turning on post notifications, because they already got exclusives over there. They know what the new rags look like. Y'all don't, because you're not following me. So make sure you go follow me right now. I'll wait. Boom. Alright, that's good. Thank you. Thanks for the follow, man. I'm gonna follow y'all back. Hey man, let's go ahead and start by just talking about this new style. So, you know, it's not copying. Let's just keep it 100. It's not copying it. I'm not calling it my style. But it's known in the wave gang for being, matter of fact, it's known for being, I don't want to say the name before I unrag. It's known for being what it is. You feel me? So I got it. You know, I rock with bro. So I'm like, let me see the style. I gotta try the style out. You know, it's different. I switch it up. I'm tired of just getting, you know, the same style I always get. So, hey man, enough talking. Let me just come out the rack. So Rico's Merch rag, right, by the way. Oreo edition. Let me just come out the rag and show you. Let me tone it down a little bit so y'all can see. Quick little go fade, man. Now, I don't know if I might have went too high or too low, I don't know. But that's the fade right there I got. Now look at this sign that the Rico's Essence oil has. Just something different, you know. It's time to switch it up a little bit, you know. If y'all want to get more connected waves like this, it just come with precise brush strokes, actually brushing your hair. You feel me? You don't have to be an hour long. It don't have to be crazy. Just you know, it could be an hour a day, but it could also be 30 minutes a day. Just a 30-minute brush session. You could take 30 minutes out your day, just get a simple brush session in. Precise strokes. You're not rushing. You just, feel me? You're using the mirror so you can see what you're doing, and you can fix your mistakes. You know, you can fix your brush angles so that it can be straight, so you won't have forks. So everything will flow in the right way because you're brushing it the right way it's supposed to go. I ain't gonna lie, this is my last time getting a 2. I know I told y'all in the past I was gonna train my hair to be more thicker and stuff like that, but I mean, you can go like this and brush straight, but make sure the brush strokes are straight, you know what I mean? You don't have to brush with a mirror for the top, because you should know your top, but I told y'all in the past I was gonna go with a 3, start getting cut with a 3, because the ones, my 2's starting to look like 1s to people. So like on this video, a lot of people probably be in the comments like, oh, that's a 1. But in reality, it's a 2. It just looks like a 1, you know what I mean? It just looks like a 1 to y'all because it's so low. That's why I'm like, I gotta start getting 3s. I gotta start getting 3s so it can be thicker, you know what I mean? Because in a week or 2 from now, my hair is gonna be at a 3 length, but it's gonna be laid, you know what I mean? So I gotta start training it to do that. I know I said this in the past, but it's time that I start doing it. I just be liking how the 2s look sometimes. Even though it's a little light in some areas, I be liking how it looks personally. Because, you know, it looks different in person than it does on camera sometimes, depending on the camera you got, so. Yeah, man, but I just wanted to show y'all the new little cut, new style, whatever I got going on. Right quick. You feel me? Then we're gonna just hit it with the plastic bag. And the plastic bag, what that does, for those of y'all who don't know, and it's your first time clicking on my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so I post notifications, because you're never gonna miss a banger. What the plastic bag does, it helps lays down the frizzy hair. It helps, you feel me, give it pull. And what you don't know is sometimes people who are less fortunate, like the people who are in jail, they use a straight plastic bag because they can't get brushes, stuff like that. But if they can get brushes, then they can, but some places they can't. So a plastic bag, they just go like this all day, and I bet you they be spinning harder than half the people that you probably know. That's why you be seeing them, they be getting out with waves. Because there ain't nothing else to do in there but brush. Get in there and just go like this. Because technically this is still pulling your hair. You feel me? The harder you put pressure down, the harder it's forcing your hair to lay down. And all waves are laid down curls. That's all it is. So the more you putting pressure like this and doing it the way you brush, the more it's laying them frizzy hairs down, laying your hair down, and it might break a fork or 2. You never know. So it ain't just to lay down frizzy hair. Make sure y'all know that. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. This is just a quick, brief update video. Me coming in and talking to y'all real quick. And with that being said, we're gonna throw on our Rico's merch rag right quick. You feel me? Nice, silky. Lines on the outside too, so you won't, you feel me, get no do-rag lines. There we are. So like I said, this is a used bottle, it's all beat up, but you know, this is what the oil looks like. It's only 10 bucks. Can't beat it. Check it out on the website. Review of the rag too. And this is the rag I used when I was woofing, so it's probably a little beat. Honestly, it's not. It's perfect. Just show y'all way better details. I might start recording. I gotta start recording in this light because I be having my stuff too bright. This is perfect. It's natural. I might have to record a video like this, see how it go, because y'all don't be saying that. Y'all don't be like, man, it's too bright. It is, you know. But I like this right here. This show way better. I feel like it's not too bright to where it's blinding my eyes, because I'll record with the ring light, so it's not too bright and it's not too dull. You feel me? It shows my real skin complexion, everything nice, and it has depth. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. It's your boy Rico the Waver. Hey man, say man, follow me on Instagram, everything linked down in the description below. Don't miss out.